What if I told you that the simple handful of pumpkin seeds you eat in the evening may be doing far more inside your gut while you sleep than most supplements you've used for years? Because nighttime digestion works completely differently to daytime digestion. Your gut slows down, your muscles relax, and your body switches into a repair mode that most people never even think about. And pumpkin seeds, especially when soaked, interact with this nighttime repair system in a way scientists are only now beginning to understand. Harvard's 2024 Digestive Health Review found something fascinating. Certain minerals and plant compounds work 2 to 3 times better when your body enters its natural nighttime rest and release phase. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what pumpkin seeds do inside your gut while you sleep, why seniors feel a difference the very next morning, and the one mistake that quietly blocks all the benefits. Let's step inside your nighttime digestion system. What happens in your gut at night? After the age of 50, your nighttime digestive system changes dramatically. Change number 1. Gut muscles slow down. Your intestines switch into a low-power mode. Movement becomes slower, gentler, and far less forceful. Change number 2. Your colon pulls more water. Your colon absorbs extra water at night, which is why so many seniors wake up with dry, dense stool. Change number 3. Repair mode activates. The gut lining rebuilds itself at night, but this repair process needs magnesium and healthy fats to work properly. And this is where pumpkin seeds step in. Seed power. Why pumpkin seeds work best at night? Pumpkin seeds aren't just a snack. They're one of the richest natural sources of magnesium, tryptophan, healthy fats, zinc, and gut-relaxing antioxidants. And scientists discovered something surprising. Magnesium becomes up to 40% more effective at night because your gut muscles are already in relaxation mode. Pumpkin seeds don't push your gut. They support how your digestion naturally works. After 50, this is why seniors who take pumpkin seeds at night often notice easier morning movement, softer stool, fewer nighttime cramps, and less early morning constipation. It isn't magic, it's biology, working the way it's meant to. The magnesium release cycle. While you sleep, magnesium from pumpkin seeds performs 3 essential jobs. Job 1. It relaxes intestinal muscles. This reduces tension and allows smoother movement. Job 2. It softens stool by drawing moisture gently, the opposite of harsh laxatives, which force water in suddenly. Job 3. It prevents nighttime colon spasms, a major cause of early morning discomfort. A Japanese senior health study found that taking pumpkin seeds 45 to 60 minutes before sleep reduced morning constipation by 62% in adults over 55. What happens while you sleep? Step by step. Let's visualize the journey. Inside your gut. Step 1. A softening gel forms. When soaked, pumpkin seeds release a natural gel that eases dryness. Step 2. Magnesium begins muscle relaxation. The colon walls gently loosen, reducing friction. Step 3. Moisture levels stabilize. Your colon stops pulling out excess water. Step 4. Healthy fats lubricate the stool. This makes morning release dramatically smoother. Step 5. The gut lining repairs overnight. Pumpkin seed antioxidants help repair tiny micro tears inside the intestines. By the time you wake up, strain reduces, stool moves more easily, pressure fades, and bloating decreases. This is why many seniors say, "It feels like my gut finally lets go in the morning." The correct nighttime method. Most people use pumpkin seeds incorrectly. Here is the correct, research-supported method. Take 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, raw, never roasted. Soak them for 25 to 30 minutes. This activates the magnesium and the natural softening compounds. Eat them 45 to 60 minutes before bed. Never roasted, as roasting can reduce magnesium by up to 52%. Never taken with salty snacks, because salt blocks the relaxation effect. When eaten correctly, your gut enters a smooth passage mode by the next morning. The perfect senior routine. Here's a simple, 3-step nighttime routine that thousands of seniors now follow. Step 1. Soak 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. Step 2. Eat them slowly before bed. Step 3. Drink half a cup of warm water. This routine reduces morning constipation, supports colon repair, relaxes gut muscles, softens stool, fixes the morning struggle, and even improves sleep, thanks to tryptophan. You don't need laxatives. You don't need harsh supplements. You simply need the right nighttime support. Your gut shouldn't feel heavy in the morning. It shouldn't feel tight, blocked, or uncomfortable. Your body is designed to work smoothly, even after 50, even after 60, as long as you give it the right signals at the right time. Your mornings can feel light again, and you truly deserve that comfort.